My name is Francis Juma, and I'm the founder and CEO of FW Africa. So we have many events going on. So the one that we started with 2015, the first one we did was at Strathmore University. We probably had an entire crowd, which was like half of this, the people we have here. So 2015 was an important time. It's the first time we ever had kind of a food industry related event.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
10 years later, COVID, growth, Trump, and all these things happening, we are here to celebrate 10 years of the AFMA's Food Manufacturing Expo. AFMA's itself has undergone a lot of transformation. Originally, this was a B2B event. So it was a place where we're looking for lab, equipment suppliers, ingredients, the few ones that were here then, a few of the companies that were in the milling or processing or packaging side. And we really wanted to have food companies, beverage companies, milling companies, dairy companies bring in their technical staff. And over the years, we've had more than 300 companies grace these events. Lots of them local, lots of them multinational, of them regional companies. But this year also we've added the Africa Horeca Expo. So the hotels, restaurants, food service and catering. And as we go into the next year, we'll probably give you some better experience. But if I can give it in a snapshot, next year we're having the event here from 17th to 19th. But then also we really want to change it a bit, and we would really want it to be a manufacturing event. What are you manufacturing? What are you making? What are you packaging? Anything fast-moving consumer good we'd want to have here. As a business, we've changed a lot in the last 13 years we've been in existence. I have a team of 27 people in my office now, and they have various skills. Now we run 9 magazine websites and publications covering the general food, beverage and milling, healthcare, home and personal care, and agriculture. So anything around food safety, sustainability within the Horeca space is an interesting thing for us. We have 9 magazines. We are not covering every area, but at least in the food and beverage manufacturing, Horeca, healthcare, HPC, we are represented. I think this event, our 10th edition, is probably our biggest, and we see opportunity for growth.